If you're tired of crumbs, pet hair, and dirt trapped in your car seats, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 best cordless car vacuums you can get in 2026. From ultra-budget options under $20 to the premium Dyson flagship model with 50-minute runtime. All the links are in the description below. And stick around till the end because the #1 pick might just surprise you. Let's dive right in. Starting at number 7, the Handheld Vacuum Cordless 15,000 Pascal. The best ultra-affordable cordless car vacuum for 2026. Most people think cordless car vacuums start at $50 or more. This vacuum destroys that myth. Rechargeable battery, washable filter, and multi-nozzle accessories for around $35. Perfect for college students, first car owners, or anyone testing cordless cleaning. First, 15,000 Pascal strong suction tackles everyday car messes. Crumbs, dirt, light debris. This handles typical car cleaning without premium pricing. Next, washable filter means 0 ongoing costs. Rinse under tap, reuse it. No replacement filter costs eating into your budget. Finally, lightweight dustbuster design with multi-nozzles. Includes crevice tool for tight spaces and brush attachment for upholstery cleaning. Now, limitations. Suction is moderate for deeply embedded dirt. Dust cup is smaller, and runtime is around 15 minutes max. At number 6, the AHNR Handheld Vacuum with brushless motor. The best value cordless car vacuum for 2026. You're shopping on a budget, but don't want cheap-feeling garbage with weak motors. The AHNR delivers. Brushless motor technology, 20,000 Pascal suction, and 3-in-1 functionality for under $30. This is technology from $80 vacuums at budget pricing. First, brushless motor for quieter, longer-lasting performance. Brushless motors run cooler, last years longer, and deliver consistent power without the annoying high-pitched whine. Second, 3-in-1 design works as vacuum, air duster, and inflator. Clean your car seats, blow dust from keyboards, inflate pool toys or sports balls. One tool replaces 3. Third, 20,000 Pascal suction handles everyday messes. Crumbs from fast food, dirt from shoes, light dust. This clears it efficiently. The catch: smaller battery capacity means shorter runtime. Build quality is basic plastic, and the charging cable is annoyingly short. Coming in at number 5, the Handheld Vacuum Cordless 28,000 Pascal. The best mid-range cordless car vacuum for 2026. You need serious suction power without jumping to premium pricing. This vacuum delivers with 28,000 Pascal high power, 3-speed brushless motor, and one-touch dust removal system. This is the sweet spot where performance meets affordability. First, 28,000 Pascal powerful suction tackles embedded dirt. French fries wedged under seats, pet hair ground into carpet, sand from the beach. This has the power to extract stubborn messes that budget models miss. Second, 3-speed brushless motor adapts to different cleaning tasks. Low speed for light dust saves battery. Medium for regular cleaning. High speed for deep embedded debris. You control the power you need. Third, one-touch dust removal makes emptying effortless. Press the button, dust cup opens, debris falls out. No unscrewing caps or touching dirty filters. Clean and hygienic. Downsides: compact silver design may feel less rugged. Battery life at high speed is reduced, and no storage case included. At number 4, the Handheld Vacuum Cordless 25,000 Pascal with LED light. The best high-capacity cordless car vacuum for 2026. You're cleaning at night, dealing with dark footwells, or need extended runtime for larger vehicles. This vacuum solves those problems. 25,000 Pascal powerful suction, 8,000 mAh large battery, LED light, and high-efficiency particulate air filtration. This is extended duty territory without premium pricing. First, 8,000 mAh large battery delivers extended runtime. Clean multiple cars on a single charge, or tackle your entire sport utility vehicle interior without battery anxiety. This outlasts standard cordless vacuums significantly. Second, LED light illuminates dark areas you can't see. Under seats, footwells at night, dark trunk corners, the built-in light reveals hidden dirt and debris that you'd otherwise miss. Third, high-efficiency particulate air filtration captures allergens and fine dust. Not just surface cleaning, this actually filters the air, trapping pollen, dust mites, and pet dander. Better for allergies and air quality. The catch: slightly heavier due to larger battery, takes longer to fully charge, and LED adds minimal cost versus competitors. Number 3. The BLACK+DECKER 20-volt dustbuster, the best brand name cordless car vacuum for 2026. You've been burned by generic Chinese brands that die after 3 months with zero customer support. You want a name you trust. BLACK+DECKER invented the dustbuster 40 years ago. 20-volt max lithium power, cyclonic action, and proven reliability. This is legendary quality. First, 20-volt max lithium battery delivers fade-free suction. As the battery drains, power stays consistent. No gradual weakening. Strong suction from 100% charge down to 10%. Second, cyclonic action spins dirt away from the filter. Suction doesn't clog as the dust bowl fills. You get sustained performance throughout the entire cleaning session. Third, charging base with integrated tool storage. The base holds the vacuum and attaches the crevice tool. Your garage stays organized and you always know where your vacuum is. Now, limitations. Specs aren't the highest on paper. It's pricier than generics with similar PA ratings, and the accessory selection is basic. Quick reminder, if you're finding this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future reviews. All the links are in the description below. Now, let's get to the top 2 picks. These are where things get serious. At number 2, the DEWALT 20-volt handheld vacuum, the best professional-grade cordless car vacuum for 2026. You need a vacuum that survives job sites, construction dust, and daily abuse, not just Sunday afternoon car washes. The DEWALT delivers with pro-grade durability, high-efficiency particulate air filtration, 6 attachments, and LED work light. This is contractor-tested quality that excels at car cleaning. First, professional-grade construction built for job site abuse. Built to survive conditions that would kill consumer models, drops, dust, and harsh environments. Second, high-efficiency particulate air filtration captures 99.97% of dust and allergens. Medical-grade air quality. This doesn't just move dirt around, it actually cleans the air. Third, complete accessory kit plus LED work light. Crevice tool, brush tool, extension wand, flexible hose, and more. The LED light illuminates dark footwells, under seats, or engine bays where shadows hide debris. The catch: most expensive before luxury tier. Battery sold separately in tool-only configuration. Heavier than pure handhelds, and overkill for casual car-only users. The number 1 best cordless car vacuum for 2026 is the Dyson Car+Boat handheld, the most advanced you can buy. At number 1, Dyson Car+Boat handheld vacuum. This is the brand new 2026 model. You get 115 air watts of industry-leading suction, 50-minute runtime, 2 intelligent power modes, and purpose-built design for cars and boats. This is the aspirational flagship that justifies its premium price through Dyson engineering excellence. First, 115 air watts, measurably the strongest suction on this list. Real certified power that extracts dirt others leave behind. You feel the difference immediately. Second, 50-minute runtime is longer than any competitor here. Detail an entire sport utility vehicle, clean 3 sedans back-to-back, or tackle your boat interior without battery anxiety. Most cordless vacuums die at 15 to 20 minutes. This runs for nearly an hour. Third, 2 intelligent power modes optimize performance. Eco mode for light dust extends runtime to maximum 50 minutes. Boost mode for embedded dirt delivers full 115 air watts power. Limitations: expensive at 2 times the price of number 2, fewer attachments than expected, proprietary charging dock, and overkill for basic cars. And there you have it, the 7 best cordless car vacuums for 2026. Drop a comment and let me know which one you're going with. All the links are in the description. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.